Hi folks, Ed Brewery here with Air Pro Master. If you're looking for a heating, ventilation, air conditioning repair this time of year, it's most likely to be a furnace problem. A common problem we uncover with furnaces during the winter season is flame rollout. When this is not addressed, it can be a risk to your safety. System startup may fail, or carbon monoxide could be omitted into the home. Flame rollout is typically caused when an inducer motor is not working properly, or more serious, you have a cracked or breached heat exchanger. These issues can be easily identified by an HVAC professional. We do roughly 50 repairs a day, and you should know Air Pro Master does not charge for service calls with repair. When considering an HVAC repair contractor, we know you have plenty of options out there. But if quality of work is important to you, please fill out our simple form or call us now. Also, if you want to speak with our comfort advisors about unit replacement benefits, don't forget to check mark the box under the form.